Hey, this is Jay of DeFi Journey. Got a new segment for you today called the Market Update. So we're just gonna go a quick thing, kind of what's going on in markets. I'd like to make this kind of a weekly thing. So please drop a comment, tell me what you think, if you'd like to see this in the future. So let's start off with just kind of with Bitcoin. This is a crypto focused channel. We obviously have been in a nice strong trend, and so just for overview, this is called the Gaussian channel, and this is a weekly view. So you see back here all the way to our November lows of last year, actually, 2022, and we see this kind of this megaphone pattern, which is kind of a bullish and a continuation of the trend. So you see, I drew this a few weeks ago. I like to see, and we've played up to these highs again. So while this is not bearish, I do believe we'll be in this price zone for a while, and maybe we get another leg up. But for right now, like if we're saying this zone, I believe this could be a good time for alts still. I know today we've had quite the downturn. So if we look, just this is for some alts, we had quite the pullback. So maybe we can get another pullback in. This would be a good region to buy, but I do still believe this is continuation. So if you look even at, let's look at DXY, which is how you measure the dollar. You see here, we've pulled back into this region, and so I do think we're having a little bit of an uptrend, but if it's kind of hard to see if as long as we're still in this range where we've been just the whole last year, it's a good region to be in for risk on assets. So so for now, until like if we were to break this region and the Gaussian channel were to go green, or we were to get above like this 106 region, you see like kind of where it tested here back in October, and when it rejected here, that is where we started to have a nice rally in the stock market and also in for crypto. So you can see like right here, end of October, and then we go back down to, so if you look at the NASDAQ, end of October, that's where we start that rally. So don't think that's a coincidence. So same thing here. If you look at, let's look at Atom. Here we see the same thing. We've had this long consolidation period. We're still having a hard time breaking out above this range. So, but until I still believe this is a good time to accumulate. We might retest these lows again. You see right down here, these Luna lows. We retested those. It might come down again, but I still think like at some point we're gonna break above this range. So, same thing too. If you look at like Ethereum, and we had these lows, we've broken above the range, but same thing you see depending on the strength of the asset. See the Avalanche come down here and it consolidated here, broke above. DYDX, that's one I'm having a hard time. We consolidated here just above $1. And it's broken. The channel's turned green, but we are not breaking above this $3.20 range. So I'm using this time to accumulate more, maybe retest lower. Solana, same thing, is played out quite a bit, but so I'm not looking to. I don't think this is a token to play right now. A couple that I do like. So one is Kava. So if you look here at Kava, Kava's had this long period too, and now we've been accumulating here. I believe it will break up here to $1.50 within the next month or two. So that's another one to accumulate. I like that. It was almost at $10 last bull market. So I would like to see that one. That's one I think is worth accumulating. Another one I really like is Carbon. I saw a tweet that Carbon was actually the lowest market cap in the Cosmos ecosystem. This is below a penny, so it's actually 0.6 of a penny. very low risk. But I really would say between those two, I like Kava the most, because Kava's got more history, and also is where Tether has positioned itself for in Cosmos. So there's a lot of liquidity within Kava. And if you look at also, so if we look ahead to the market, what's events that's going to happen in the next few days? The narrative that the Fed has presented is soft landing, and also with respect to the economy and job openings and inflation. So if you looked at today, we had two things: JOLTS was the job openings, and manufacturing. So it looks like the economy is still strong, manufacturing, but also job openings was just a little bit below. So that's still is strong, which I believe is majority of the reason for the pullback today. I think people were expected to be a little bit higher, but the rest of the week is all unemployment, so we will see some more volatility. We got unemployment claims, ADP non-farm employment change, and then also on Friday we got the U.S. Numbers of unemployment rates, and so expect that to see. So if those unemployment rates are higher, then we'll probably see, like I said, the narrative: good news or bad news is good news, and in reverse of low unemployment is bad news, will be higher for longer. So, but yeah, so that is for the rest of the week. Please let me know what you thought. What other things you want to see? You wanted me to break down some individual stocks? Do you want to see more longer term? Do you want to see short term plays? I have some other ones where, like recently with this downturn, I did a long for Solana, and this is like my short term playbook. If you want to see that, please let me know. So, see you in the next one.